Hello and welcome back, and thank you for joining me. In this video, it's going to be slightly different. It's been a little quieter than usual on the channel without too many videos going up over the last couple of weeks. However, it's not been because I haven't been working on things. So in this video, I thought I would just go through a few of the projects that I'm working on and hopefully some of the stuff that you'll be seeing on the channel in the near future. So let's start with the Micro B. This is actually my original car. It was replaced by the Gen 2 version, which was a lot faster, so I've been running that one. So this one has been sat on the shelf for a little while now. It has already had a carbon front tower, which was one that I made myself. It has had the aluminium, low-C aluminium knuckles and C-blocks, and it has had the battery tray modification, which I did the video on a couple of weeks ago. However, the build on this is going to be slightly different, slightly more sensitive, not going completely bonkers crazy and throwing everything at it that you see a lot of people doing. We're going to be changing a few things, but being a little bit more sensitive about what we do. So to carry on this build, I have got a set of lossy links for it, adjustable turnbuckle set. I have got a set of springs, and I have then also got a pair of aluminium shocks. So those will all be going on it in the aid of trying to get a little bit more performance out of the suspension. It's not too bad. It does tend to get a little sticky, and I want to play around with the springs. So we're going to be throwing those on the chassis to start with. So next up is the electronic side of this build. Now that might come as a bit of a surprise to you that this is not going to be going brushless. I'm not that fussed about going brushless. While it would be nice, it's quite a large amount of money to throw at this. So at the moment we're going to stick with the brushed system. However, I do want to change the ESC on here, so and move away from the 2-in-1 so that we can run a half decent radio system. So I've got myself a MXO receiver that we will be popping in this. Now that has got a bit of a twist to it, and will be of interest to some of you old school buggy racers, so keep an eye out on that one. But as I say, the ESC on this, I'm in talk with one of the fairly well-known companies with the ESC, and they are, well, they've said they're going to be working on something for it, so fingers crossed it doesn't take too long. In the meantime, I have got a couple of other ESCs on the way, so I'm going to be having a play with those and seeing what they're like and whether they will work in the meantime. But otherwise, yeah, they have it. That's the plans for the buggy at the moment, and I will give you an update as soon as we get some progress on it. Okay, so next up, the next project is going to look something like this. Well, nearly like this anyway. This is giving you a little teaser. This is a body that I printed off Thingiverse. I can't remember who the name of it is that's designed it. It's a lovely little design, super solid, really strong. I have driven one of these on the track that a friend has done, and I was very impressed with it actually. However, we're not going to be using this specific one. I'm going to be working on one of my own, so stay tuned for that. For the project, I have also picked up a new servo, so we will be using that. I have got myself another Hobby Wing Easy Run motor, that will be going in it, and another Easy Run ESC. I've got myself a ball diff, and there is a couple of other small bits that I've ordered, screws and bits and bobs, but that will be all that I will need for this build. So take from that what you will. Let me know if you think you know what I am going to be doing, but yeah, that's what I'm working on with this. Hopefully I can make some progress on this in the very near future. I'm hoping some of the packages will arrive fairly soon. Otherwise it might take a little longer. It all just depends when I can get the parts through, but stay tuned for the build. Okay, so next up on the list of things that I'm working on, yes, it is a fairly long list, is this one. Now this is as you can probably tell, a small glider. This one is for my son. We've been working on this together. He is learning to fly. He's 6 years old. He's been learning to fly for a couple of years on the computer and a little bit on the hill. However, he has progressed to the stage where I want to try and give him his own plane that he can go throw around and fly in the park. So this is a build for that. We started it on Easter holidays just the other day, and I'm going to try and make a bit more progress on it myself in the evenings. So it started as a Chucky glider. I've got some radio gear. This is all old stuff that I have had kicking around for a while. We will be putting this into the glider and getting it all sorted out. Fairly simple. It's just going to be rudder elevator, but a few little modifications that I've got to do to it, but it should be a fun little build, and it should be even more fun to fly. Looking forward to taking him out down the park and letting him loose on it, and hopefully seeing him pick up skills for it, and yeah, really enjoy it this summer. So that's this build. On to the next one. Okay, so the next project I am working on at the moment is this. I have picked up a bunch of small things, mostly from AliExpress, starting off with this little receiver. Sorry about the color, it's getting all a bit thrown off. This receiver is pretty impressive. It is a 4-channel receiver with ESC built in. I can't remember how many amps it is. I think it was like 2 or 3 amp ESC built into it. So pretty impressive for the size. I mean, as you can see there, we have got tiny little DC motor. It comes with the propeller, so hoping that this ESC will power that quite happily. Not that I was really planning on putting an engine on this build, just wanting to build like a little, balsa Chucky type glider, but with some control to it. So I picked up these tiny little servos. This was the smallest servo that I could find, without going to sort of the linear actuator type servos. So yeah, that is that tiny little what is it, 100 no, not even that, 75 milliamp LiPo to power the whole lot. And yeah, that's just going to be a bit of a fun build, a real quick build once I can get everything worked out. I just need to spend a bit of time programming the receiver and just getting it bound up. Really, there isn't really much to do to it, but just got to get my head into it. So yeah, balsa glider, throw in some radio gear on it and throw it out the window. Hopefully that is the plan with that. Should be quite cute, should be quite fun. Again, something that I can let my son have a play with without having to worry too much. So that is that build. Nothing really stopping me from getting that going, other than I want to get his other glider done first. So hopefully that will be something that I can get onto fairly soon. Okay, so next up is this one, slightly bigger than what we normally play with, but this is the LC Racing LC12B1, I think it was called. I built this back in 2019, I believe, and have, well, not driven it for quite a while actually. Used to drive it on a track down in my garden, That unfortunately disappeared. However, this past weekend with my son, we resurrected a small track on the lawn and been having a lot of fun with it. So now I actually have the slightly smaller one as well, the EMB one with the slightly shorter wheelbase and the sort of rear mounted motor. So while I've got those two, the EMB1 has seen a lot of use and is starting to show its age. However, I have had this kit, brand new kit, up in the loft, and I thought it was time that we should try and build this up and give it to my son, I guess. Probably steal some of the radio gear out of the EMB1, pop the motor and ESC into it. This one is the Truggy, I think it is. Yeah, I think we should get this built up and give it some action on the garden track. So there you go. That is a little update on what's going on here at SMRC at the moment. I'm also working on a number of other projects, renovating our house for one. I'm also working on a 6-meter trimaran yacht. I'm doing a separate channel for that, so I'll put a link in down below for that channel should you wish to pop over and take a look at that. But yeah, as I say, that's what's going on at the moment. Stay tuned for updates on all of these projects as they progress. But otherwise, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you soon.